how to change Facebook location settings. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually check Facebook location settings, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to actually check Facebook location settings, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Instead of using the Facebook app, simply open up the settings on your app, right? Once you open the settings on your app, you will see this interface where what you have to do is simply go to a section that says apps over here. And once you go to the app section, you will see this kind of interface over here again. Then from here, what you need to do is to simply tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Then from Facebook, just go to permissions, then simply go to locations. Now depending upon what you want to do, you can simply allow them or disable them the permission, whether you want to allow while using the app or ask every time, or whether you want it to use a precise location or not. This way you'll be able to actually change the Facebook location settings. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.